I'm going to do a product review here of two different work lights that I have. They are called the TOPDC Work Light. I got these on Amazon. They're about 14 bucks for both of them. First off, they can fit inside your pocket. They're very compact, and so that way you can carry them anywhere. The other thing is you can definitely get these into places that you would not normally be able to get a flashlight into, just because of how, thin this is, as well as this rotates like all the way. You can get a lot of different angles. So the first mode is going to be just your regular super bright mode, and I'll show you in a second what this looks like in the dark, because this is super bright. Then there's a slightly dimmer mode. Then you have a front mode where it lights up the front of it. If you hold down the button, you'll get a red light, as well as you click it again, you get the flashing red light. It is a lithium battery in here, and you charge it using a micro USB cable. There is a magnet on the bottom of here, and a hook. So you have some options for mounting. Here is a smaller one, which these came together as a kit for $14. The smaller one is exactly like the bigger one, it's just smaller. It has all the same light modes and hook and magnet and everything. It does have a little clip here, I guess you could put on your shirt. So this is basically showing you what this light looks like in the dark. We're standing inside the stairs to an attic, so it's pitch dark in here. So this is the brightest mode. So then I can click the button, it'll go to a next slightly dimmer mode, and then it'll go to this front facing mode, which isn't really the best. I mean, it's kind of sort of bright. And there's the red light, and then hit it again, the flashing red light. So here's the small one. It really lights up the space here. That's the lower setting of the small one. And then the front facing light. And then if I hold it down, I get the red light as well as the flashing. I've been using these for maybe 6 months or so, and I don't really have any complaints about them. They're very handy, and they're very good for getting into tight places, like if you're working on your car. They're good to have camping. They're just a good all-around light to have, and they're very bright. I've definitely used them. They're only 14 bucks. I mean, you can't go wrong. I mean, you could spend $14 on one flashlight, but I mean, with this you get two. So yeah, I would recommend that you get these if you're looking for a flashlight. And thank you for watching.